Hi there, it's Ollie from Construct Learning. Today we're talking about Kopine's high-density particle board flooring systems designed to offer superior stiffness for maximum span capability and weather resistance. Let's take a look at these good old Kiwi-made, easy-to-install flooring systems. Firstly, Kopine Ultra Lock. This is a unique particle board flooring design that uses grooved panel edges and a glue system to provide a super strong, moisture resistant and structural bond that's less prone to squeaking and peaking. Kopine Tongue and Groove is also a particle flooring system, however it uses a black plastic beaded tongue fitted into a grooved edge to bond the panels together, providing a structural joint. Both systems are especially suited for subfloor and mid-floor installation. They are 20 mils thick and come in two panel sizes, 2400 by 1200 mils and 3600 by 1200 mils. They're manufactured locally in Kopine's Kopine manufacturing plant with a proven track record of 30 years, meet Clause B1 structural and Clause B2 durability standards, and have a 50-year warranty. That's a solid guarantee. There are more benefits of these quality flooring systems that you need to know about. They're both Codemark certified and approved by MB as an acceptable solution to 3604 structural and durable building code provisions. Both Kopine flooring options have the same moisture resistance of up to 12-week exposure time. They're suitable for wet areas when protected with an impervious finish, and they're made from renewable plantation pine, environmentally friendly with low VOC and an E1 rating. The good news is they also come with Gorilla Grip adhesive at no extra cost, making installation super easy. And whilst we're talking installation, you'll find easy to follow step-by-step instructions and videos for both flooring systems on Kopine's website. So that's the important information you need to know about Kopine's Ultra Lock and Tongue and Groove high-density, weather-resistant particle board flooring systems. For installation guides and technical data sheets, head to kopine.co.nz. From the team here at Construct Learning, thanks again for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you next time.